Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Hey there, let's talk about the CCNA exam and why you really need practical experience to pass it. It's important to understand that during the exam, you'll face questions about configurations, and there's a good chance you'll encounter lab questions too. Having that hands-on experience isn't just helpful, it's pretty much essential. Think about it this way. You're learning to drive a car. Sure, you could memorize all the rules of the road, but eventually you have to sit behind the wheel and start driving. That's exactly what lab experience does for your CCNA journey. Doing labs is also a way more effective studying method than just trying to cram in stuff in your head. Now, don't worry if you don't have access to a full-blown Cisco lab. There are some great simulators and emulators out there, like Packet Tracer and GNS3, that can give you that hands-on feel without breaking the bank. These tools let you play around with network configurations and troubleshoot problems just like you would in the real world, and that's exactly what you need for those exam questions. Here's the thing though, passing the exam is just the first step. Employers are often looking for more than just a certification. They want to know that you can apply what you've learned in real-world situations. So, getting that practical experience is absolutely required when you're job hunting. Bottom line, you definitely need lab experience to beat the CCNA exam and excel in your career. It'll help you tackle those configuration and lab questions with confidence, make you more skilled in applying your knowledge, and potentially make you more attractive to employers. So make sure to get that hands-on practice, whether through simulations or actual equipment. And that's it for this video. Now get labbing. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.